Welcome to Space. Get ready for it. I'm astronaut Amori, engineer and researcher.
I'm Oscar Saviano, programmer and researcher.
And I am astronaut Silva, designer and researcher.
We chose the theme Robot Supporting Life in the Space because we believe exploring the space is to guarantee the future of human race. And this requires a better solution to protect life in extreme environments.
We begin research in documented research and reliable information. We studied the process of war on the moon wars and the action of the extremely claimless spaces.
Based on studies by NASA USA, we discovered that there is war in other wild regions, something essential to make life outside Earth possible. We also researched projects like the Big Long, aerospace, inflatable habitats, and 10 other teams missions.
In all of them, we saw a common problem: the difficulty assembling structures and maintaining life and harsh environments, and that's their main challenge measured.
So, how can we install habitats safely in space? Dealing with structures, harsh climate, and complicated manual assembly.
After scrutinizing the several brainstorm, the big question arose: what if the robots of the habitat itself?
First, HABTRON was born.
Home save home.
The main advantage is that it integrates robots and the shelter into a single solution, which reduces transport costs, increases autonomy, and accelerates installation in extreme locations, something not yet seen with current NASA USA projects.
HABTRON is autonomous robot exploring the lunar or mountain soil. Searching for water, the water HABTRON for the soil to survive through electrolysis. Water can be split oxygen and hydrogen. Oxygen is right off osmosis respiration with a greenhouse place with food production, and the hydrogen, on the other hand, can be used the energy source without excess of force or area section with a trapezoidal spindle system. The inflatable habitats for the process of the base body. They inflate, reduce significant emission weights. They space habitat curve the full accommodate the astronauts and they support the extreme environments. It has a multiple years that popped up the mission success. Inside the from astronaut's friend Silva.
We created this to foster improvement with the robots, because the shelter is also about to love. When the astronauts arrive, we find the home already assembled and ready for them.
HABTRON body is made of aluminum, acrylic, and 3-by ABS, which makes it durable. The large bed traveling using key structural difficult terrain robot powered by electric hydro motors. The use of precise trapezoid spindle system ensure precise movements.
We created a smart solar panel that rotates to the capture of the sunlight.
The acrylic parts designed in ticket cards and the cutout or CNC laser machine with precise fitting.
We also had the help of experts PD Cinema for Future Innovators Elementary Brazil suggestions introduce to help fetch water for the sun and also keep anchored to the ground, resistance Martian's weight. My friend and astronaut Saviano identified structure to decorate with atomic models, and my friend Silva come up with this functional design to facilitate the assembly of well sensors and wires.
Other logical algorithm how to block the structured algorithm water detection. We have pretty conditional. We create a function for exploring, inflating, monitoring, and communicate with depth. We run several tests, ticks on the box that make the code cleaner and more efficient, as well easier to maintain.
Trabalha aerospace engineer for the Federal University of Minas Gerais, Brazil, suggests in order to do access here is the main sensor. So they work even extreme code.
We created the net that monitors HABTRON in real time.
In the air drives our HABTRON that fly close everything and I continue exploring.
We and Jeff Farson, astrophysicists at NASA, said that this project is important for homes in space, and also said that it is important for robots to be able to communicate with the command center. NASA engineers later said that our idea is innovative and that our projects can also be very helpful here on Earth.
On Earth, HABTRON can be a help amidst of the chaos related to natural disasters, climate change, and a humanitarian crisis. Situations like flood in the Rio Grande do Sul and water infiltration on the Rio de Janeiro in Brazil.
Our project is aligned with the SDG 6, 9, and 13.
The next steps are the completion of the instruction, adding of AI, and they improve the center of mass.
HABTRON is a shelter,
It's care,
it's the future, safe home anywhere in the universe.